Yo, what's good, PIP N DIP family? I haven't seen you guys in a while. I've been super slammed. I've been moving into this new place. Just got this sick office, sick apartment. And also, I've been working on this app like nonstop, trying to get this new Forex app out to you guys as soon as possible. But in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how I made $250 into $1,300 in just a few hours. So let's get right into it. So let me hop on this fresh chart and just show you guys, right? So first things first, I always like to identify my breaks of structures on the H1. So as you can see here, we had this big zone. What I'm gonna just go ahead and do is just make it gray, right? So you can see we had that big order block it created off of that break of structure. And so I went to my minute 15, marked up the order block resting on there, just put a little line on it. And I also went to the minute 5 time frame to cover that minute 5 order block right there, right? But I had also seen that, we're pushing up. This is still an 83 pip order block, right? So I figured price might not want to push all the way there if it's really going to make its move down. So what I had noticed was, as you guys know, I like to use this Asia range Nikkei 948D indicator just to show me the range of Asia session. So as you can see, we're kind of in that H1 OB. We swept Asia highs right here. And then we created a break of structure. We had this break of structure on the minute 5. And let me hop in replay mode, just show you guys where I hopped in. And so I don't normally trade like this to where I'm not covering the H1 stop. But the reason why I did was because here I had this minute 5 OB. I still had 80 pips to push up to there. So it made no sense to cover the hour 1 stop. And also what I did was I waited for an extra confirmation. I did not set limits on this trade. So when we actually entered this zone over here, I saw we pushed in and then quickly rejected heavily. The next candle pushes down and the next one actually breaks that structure. So I entered off of this candle here and I had just about a 10 pip stop loss. And as you guys can also see on the H1, right, we have this nice trend over here. And let's do this so you guys can clearly see this. Clean extension right. So you can see it all kind of lines up with this level here. I believe I had it something along the lines of this, if I'm not mistaken. And so I also had the top covered. And as you can see, I can literally clone it and it's almost exactly the same. That's how I know it's a pretty respected channel. And so I like to use channels just as a symbol of liquidity so I can identify where to target. So now that I was in this trade, looking on the higher time frames, I could definitely see this sweeping all the way to down here, catching that really big move. But also, now if you notice, we continue structure. So you guys best bet, like when price wants to pull back up into this zone over here, because this is the deepest area that we pulled into, I'll be looking to catch, another move. I'm just going to make this orange so it stands out. So I'll be looking for shorts within this area again. But yeah, that's pretty much how I caught that trade. Very simple stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe.